Hi guys, welcome to our sand video. This is my cousin Navi. And if you follow us outside, we'll be doing our sand video.
Subscribe to BTS.
Go, subscribe to BTS. Go. As you can see, my cousin is patting down the base. So you have to ensure that you have a nice smooth base, super smooth or ultra smooth, whatever. Yeah, just make sure it's super smooth. So then you have a nice space to make your castle island.
And then a little, let's say a little, what do you call it, Kylan? A little fence.
Yeah, make a really nice tall little sand fence. Okay, so you have to carry on patting it like this. As you can see, you started to make around the island.
Sorry, I had to get out because I got sand in my hair.
Okay, now what you have to keep doing is you have to just keep patting it down, and you want to make a landslide. And for effect, we're going to add the 5 famous American faces just for a few laughs. Laughs. I need a dictionary, okay? Don't blame me, I'm not good at grammar. Okay, so you have to carry on doing that and try and make a little sort of tunnel for water to travel. And if you have a hose pipe, that's even better, because then it'll be easier to fill it and make it look really nice. And if you have Lego figures, you can add them in. Yeah.
So you can make like a little island.
Yeah.
A little Lego island.
And this is some rabbit holes, aka a funny face. But I'm gonna wipe that because I've got business to do.
Quick tip: if you're having little difficulties with making the little side, just put your hand like this until you reach to the bottom. The water won't sink into the sand, so it might stay
a bit like that. Wait till it's gone to the bottom of the sand pit, so then the water won't soak into the sand. Basically what my cousin just said.
Now just fill the bucket with sand and pat it.
Yeah, just keep filling it. As you can see, if you got any molds like these or these sort of molds, you should use them. We're just leaving the bridge like this because I think it looks perfect. So just keep doing that, and then you'll slowly have enough molds. And then if you want to, you can make little X's and stuff where you're going to put every single thing. It's your opinion. Okay, as you can see, I've put the molds. These two didn't come out perfectly, but that one kind of did, and so did that one. As you can see, we're putting the last final touch to it.
Okay, let's see if it actually works. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work,
but keep tapping it down and it might work.
Wait, it can pat it for us.
Yeah, it can. Come on, pat it.
Pat it.
Okay.
Now, okay. By the way, if you're,
it's coming out.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Oh my
and
God.
it came out as a perfect castle. For more details, subscribe, like, and comment. And
we'll do more videos like this.
Thank you and goodbye. Make sure yours is as good as this.
Wait, we have to do the water bit.
And we'll be adding the water right now. Sorry for any inconvenience about the water, by the way.
The castle.
Now. Okay, now we're gonna add the water. Oopsies.
Oh my God, this looks so cool.
Yep. Does look cool. It looks like a proper thing. As you can see, ours hasn't been the greatest because we made just a quick video for you guys. You can work harder and spend about an hour or 2 perfecting yours. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Thanks guys for watching our video. As you can see, we've just packed up now. It's late in the evening, so I'm gonna go to sleepy time. Thanks for watching.
Sorry for any cringy moments.
Yeah, we're really sorry.